When we first spoke to our architect, we decided to go through a few building companies, and the reason why we ended up choosing CJS in the end was the communication, the amount of meetings that we had, the reassurance, and also because we'd never done any type of build before, giving us the information of what to expect.
Yeah, we spoke to quite a few different companies, some that specialise in renovation, and one of the key things that came across was that, you know, some of these guys, we were talking to salespeople. With Callum, we were talking to a builder, and he also struck us as easygoing, and that was probably a key thing for doing a lengthy and very complex project, is to have someone that you can work with. I'd say the whole team were just easy to deal with, and you know, a typical build, we had problems, you know, we came across a slight major for us, and you know, when it came down to it, Callum was flexible, he was easy to work with, and he helped us go through the issues and accommodated us, especially when it was a stressful time for us and the family.
Oh yes, because I was pregnant at the time. So, but also before it got to a stage, Callum kept us informed with what was happening. So if there was anything that was out of the ordinary or that may, I guess, blow the budget, he would talk to us before going through with it, so we knew sort of what to expect.
One of the biggest benefits, I think, is being able to work through the build together. So building that rapport and trust is really important.
But also the workmanship of the end product. Because I've heard of some disaster stories, I've heard of builders leaving partway through. Not only was the build completed, but it was completed at an excellent standard as well, and the quality of workmanship. Because at the end of this day, for us it's not a rental, it's a home. We have a much bigger house to accommodate my parents that live with us, and also our newborn baby.
Well, I have actually referred a couple of times, and it's about the attention to detail, being upfront, having a good crew to work with. Those are a lot of the things which led me to recommend to one workmate when they were looking at their building.
For me, it's the people and who you deal with, and like I said, your crew were great, the two that were mainly on here, but also the ones that your subcontractors were excellent too.
Renovation in particular, they can be, as we found out, you know, there's things that literally come out of the woodwork, and being able to meet these head on and work together through things is quite important.